If this thing starts turnkey, I'll go for a rip. Yeah, that's pure ice right there. Anyways, if this thing starts turnkey, I'm going for a rip. If not, I'm not pulling it over. So, let's see. I haven't started in 2 days. I need a GoPro. This is where I ran into trouble the last time. It's frozen again! It's frozen again. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, I kinda got it unfrozen. Oh, for fuck's sake. How is this even possible? The ignition keeps getting frozen. Like, then I run it, like I pull it over, which I don't like doing because it's hard. And then after I run it for a while, like if I give it a good run, then the ignition works perfectly after. But it's very... If I can pull it over, then I'll go for a rip. If not, then I'm not going anywhere. And it's not the battery. The battery is brand new, and this is exactly what happened yesterday. It's not the battery. I put it on the battery charger and it was at full capacity. I'm wearing my great Uncle Jim's hand-me-down Yamaha snowsuit. Don't at me for that. That's what I've got and it works. Okay, key on. Everything good. Choke on. I was able to do this the other day for the first time. I did it 3 times, so I don't know. I must have the Delta Force. I did say a prayer first, so full scope of me making a fool of myself. Fuck. This is just not fun. right now. Minus 12 Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. Whatever. Jay. 1993 Arctic Cat 440. So yeah, I bought this and well, let's see, what did I do? I replaced the coil. Never worked on a sled before, by the way. Replaced the coil, used an Amazon coil, had to jimmy rig it a bit because the OEM one that I ordered wasn't going to come in for like weeks, so I got a fast solution and it's been running great ever since. Knock on wood. Changed the spark plugs. I broke the choke switch, so I swapped out the choke cables and the choke switch. And I took the carbs out. There's 2 carbs. I took those out. My friend cleaned them, and then my other friend helped me put them back in. So that was fun. And yeah, simple shit. You know, it had been sitting for a while, so drained the gas out, put fresh gas in. Like, it's been running great. The only thing that, yeah, it's been running great. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about, but there's the helmet that I left sitting there. Perfect. It'll be nice and cold for my head. Okay, I'm gonna have to like figure out how I'm gonna take you guys on a little ride, or maybe I'll just leave the tripod here. Fuck. Pointed it in the wrong direction. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to take it for a rip down. Like, this is not, like, I'm not comfortable driving it like this because it's not like I just started up. Anyways, I'm gonna have to drive it down onto the creek. I don't want to get stuck anywhere other than in my yard until I know it's idling good, but I'm gonna have to do it anyways. If I get it stuck on the creek, I'll have to call him in. On this thing, but I don't know how I'm even gonna take a video. Let's see, my hand will be very cold if I take a video of me in motion. Opting for the old school Arctic Cat helmet that my friend left here. This is about as far as I'm gonna go. If I'm by myself, I don't like to go any further than that bridge because things have gotten sunk back there before, so Okay, so I just took it on a good long ride. Now let's see if it does the same thing it did yesterday, which starts. And it's not the battery. It's not the battery. Yeah, it's just the ignition gets frozen, I think. Well, I don't have anybody to ride with, so it's kind of like, okay, it's just me, so... what should I do? While I'm warm, should I go... I left my 4x4 at my parents' house and borrowed my mom's Tahoe because my OBS was in the shop. And, the 4x4 was just, like, really unreliable, so my mom let me borrow her Tahoe. So should I bring the Tahoe back to my mom's and get the 4x4 going? Because now that I'm warm, it won't be as annoying because I know I need to pour gas in the carb and possibly boost it. I guess I'll do that. I just remembered that the reason I left it there is because the hood is literally frozen shut under half an inch of ice. So I'm just gonna leave it there because I really don't need it right now. So I'm just gonna mosey my way back.